Cyfres ddrama newydd ar Netflix ydy Griselda am un o ddelwyr cyffuriau mwyaf Miami yn y 70au.
Os da rhywbeth fatha narcos neu...
Be di Marcos na?
Narcos? Di Marcos? Iesu, greu.
Narcos?
Narcos.
Oh.
Pablo Escobar. T'go pwydio? Boi cocaine.
Hi oedd y female Pablo Escobar, dyna pam.
Psychopath. Mae'n rhaid.
Griselda. Modern family.
Yn mynd achos o wael.
Ydy yw'r make-up neu ydy wedi cael gwaith di wneud ar y beth?
Felly bach o'r ddau.
Ma' Sofia Vergara gymaint yn fwy na just the woman from Modern Family.
Hello?
Carmen.
Yeah.
Hi, it's Griselda.
Griselda, you okay? Listen, I know it's been a while, but I need a favour.
O, munud maen nhw'n gofyn am ffeifr, ia, ti'n gwybod mae game over, ynddo? Mae mwyn trwbl.
Hi, Mark. Can taxi ti chdi, please? Carwyn, mae bedr gloch bore. Dwi'n gwybod.
Ti wedi bod yn yfad? Na ddo! Te draw ta!
You want to talk about it?
Yeah, when I get there.
Here? You coming to Miami? With the kids?
Just, oh yeah, dwi'n dod, by the way. Swinging by.
O'n i ddim yn impressed efo Miami.
Oh, yn hoffi Miami?
Yeah.
Di America rhaid y pilu, fi ste?
Na fe. Just ma bod ar ei bell.
O, na, dwi eisiau ddim yn licio Americans, maen nhw'n nuts.
O, beth yn y bag? Drugs.
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 Sut mae hi wedi gallu gael hwnna drwy customs?
Na werth ffortiwn o fyna, does?
She's not stuffed that up herself, is she? It's bloody big, man.
Mae'n dechrau gwerthu fan'na, yndi?
Yndi.
A make a life of her own.
Yndi.
Disgo i hen bobl yw na.
Looking for some hot stuff, baby, this evening.
I got some hot stuff, baby, tonight.
Looking for some hot stuff, baby, this evening.
A na fo'r drug kingpin neu beth bynnag.
Mae nhw i gyd, dwi'n meddwl, yn edrych fatha cokeheads.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that.
Want to buy my bags of cocaine?
Let me do the talking, okay?
Mae'n mynd i weld y main man.
Who's this?
The fuck out of the way, you fucking goon!
Ysdi boi neis, de.
Smooth.
Ooh, bach yn aggressive.
Boss, we got a kilo of this shit.
Hey, there's no we, it's my coke.
Yeah, you tell him, girl.
Mae'n bypass o fe nawr, dwi. Mae'n syth i'r top.
So what am I gonna do with 1 kilo, huh?
Shove it up your ass.
Blown away.
Ti wast o bres?
Just fucking embarrass me in front of my boss.
Come on, you did that on your own.
Johnny, calm down, man.
Small-time crook. Big ideas.
Now get the fuck out of here. And don't come back.
Lifeline hi oedd yna.
Ie. O, joc power iawn. Mae wedi golli fo fan.
O, na ni. Dim yn drug dealer a da iawn, ydi.
Every setback is a chance for a comeback.
O, gyn i bat. Gyn i bat.
O, ble mae'n mynd i gael i de? Top i ben.
In the nuts, Griselda.
Ja, ja!
Flatnar.
Get me a fucking meeting!
Da iawn, he.
Who run the world, eh?
Girls. Pidwch o mesa gyda Griselda.
I heard that you like my product.
My product.
My product.
It's not Dragon's Den, love.
Mae'r real business woman one day.
Let's celebrate, Mummy.
Mae'n mynd i wario gêm ydy wi.
Y boi na'n goffa fi o Bruce Forsyth, ti'n bach.
Oh my god, yeah!
Dwi e, fel Latino Bruce Forsyth.
Hey, nice. To see you, nice.
Wow. So head.
Shit.
Oh, the bodyguard. O'r club.
Rwn nhw just yn neud y tango, right? Uh-oh.
Oh my god! Nath o ddod i brechfaf, do?
Arglwydd, yw hwn yn bulletproof na math? Iesu, Gris.
All right. Digon.
Oh, double denim.
A fodd efo'r drug dealer yn y club, da.
Yeah.
O, mae'r arian still yn ei bagi.
Mae'n iawn o'n ddim yn geir pres.
Come on, un cyfle, na gys eisiau ydy.
Yeah.
I just need you to try my fucking coke. Because when you do, you're gonna realize that it's 10 times better than any of that fucking shit that you're selling everywhere.
Mae, she's got balls of steel, eh?
Dwi'n licio pitches, a hyn i'n dda, Dragon's Den.
Hi di top dog on.
She wasn't taking no for an answer there. No, da iawn hi, ddo. Yeah.
Ladies.
Oh, fi ni watch it.
Roedd hwnna'n class.
Fi eisiau watch y gweddill yna.
Yeah, roedd hwnna'n intense.
Lots of cocaine, lots of tequila, lots
Gangster.
of flares,
Yeah.
pen, a lot.
Perfect.